Welcome, Form 4, Add Maths, Past Years, SBP. Topic, Geometric Progression. The first term of a geometric progression is A. The sum of the second term and the third term is 6 over 25A. First part question, calculate the common ratio, R, whereby the R is more than 0. So as usual, we are given a GP, and the first term is A, and the sum of the second term and third term, it is not S3, it is the sum of the second term and the third term, which is 6 over 25A. Question part A, find R. As usual, we start from what they ask. They are asking R. I'm using the formula R, which is Tn over Tn minus 1. Since the formula involves Tn and Tn minus 1, I'm going to use the information given. T2 plus T3 is 6 over 25A. And if you remember, in GP, the formula for Tn is AR n minus 1. Therefore, T2 will be AR power 1. Of course, 1 I'm not writing over here. Tn, AR n minus 1. So n becomes n minus 1. T2, AR 2 minus 1, which is 1. I'm not writing. And then T3 would be AR power 2. Right hand side, I just copy back. Here, in the latest equation, I'm going to factorize out the A. I take out the A, factorize the A. So inside brackets would be R plus R squared, which is equal to 6 over 25A. And then the A on both sides we can cancel. A, left hand side, right hand side, I can cancel. So the balance we have is R plus R squared equal to 6 over 25. Now the first thing we do is that we want to cancel the fraction 25. That means each term, R squared and 6 over 25, I'm going to times by 25. Okay, to cancel the 25, I'm going to times by 25. So I'm going to get R times 25, 25R. Again, R squared times 25 plus 25R squared. 6 over 25 times 25, the 25 will cancel. We are left with 6. And the first thing you realize that this got square, it is quadratic equation. When you have the power 2, it's quadratic equation. I rearrange, I put 25R squared plus 25R. This is from the left hand side. And then from the right hand side, 6 I transfer, become minus 6 equals 0. We factorize, using your calculator, we will get 5R minus 1 and 5R plus 6 equals to 0. Therefore, 5R minus 1 is 0. 5R is 1, because I transferred the negative 1 to the right hand side. And then the 5 I transfer to right hand side. I get R equals to 1 over 5. Now the other one you still have to do. That is 5R plus 6 equals 0. 5R plus equals 0. And then I transfer the 6. It becomes 5R equals negative 6. Then I transfer the 5. I get R equals to negative 6 over 5. But we were given that R is more than 0. That is positive. So our answer must be R equals 1 over 5. We cannot take negative 6 over 5 because we were given R is more than 0, positive. Second part of the question, B. If the value of A is 10, find the sum of infinity. So now we go to part B. You're given A is 10. Find S infinity. As usual, start from what they ask. They're asking S infinity. I'm using the formula S infinity for GP, A over 1 minus R. Our A is 10. And then, so we have S infinity, A is 10 over 1 minus R. Previous part A, R, 1 over 5. Minus 1 over 5, sorry for that. That would be 1 minus 1 over 5. So S infinity, numerator 10. 1 minus 1 over 5 is 4 over 5. And the fraction below, you bring it up, it becomes inverse. So 4 over 5, you go up, it becomes 5 over 4. Of course, 10 times 5 over 4. Of course, we can simplify this. The 10 and 4, I can divide by 2, which I'm going to get 5 and 2. So 5 times 5 is 25 over 2. So our answer, S infinity, 25 over 2. Thank you. I see you on the next lesson.